Now in each of these practical class, at the end, the assignment is given. Now answer of this assignment you will get through the description of this practical class that is present in the journal, through the discussion that we have done in the practical class, and some of the answer you may have to find from the textbook and reference. Now it is very obvious, you all know that assignment, it means that you have to do this assignment, you have to write the answers. Now there are two ways. One is, once this practical class is over, now you go to your home or hostel, you write down the answer of the questions that you know, or you can find from these, and some of the answers that you don't know, you go through the textbook and you write. Okay? This is the one way. But what is the other way that we are following? We just go to the hostel, throw our bag, and we just engage in our activities, and when after 1 month or 2 months, when we will ask you that okay, now submit your journal for the signature, then on overnight, first you find some senior's journal. And then 3-4 students just sit after taking dinner. Close your mind and brain, and then just writing like this. You don't know what is written in the senior journal, and you even don't know what you are writing. What you are writing, you don't know. Just simply write it overnight and then submit. So now these are the two ways. Now I will just explain you the advantages and disadvantages of both of these ways. Now it's up to you what you have to do, because in the adult learning, the principle is that as a teacher we have to tell you, actually not the teacher, guide. We have to tell you these are the advantage and disadvantage of this method, this method. Then you have to select. Advantage of the first method is that if you go through that method, then majority of the question in the practical exam comes from the assignment only. And once you identify or once you search and then you write the answer through this mechanism, it's my guarantee that you will never ever forget that answer. And if someone asks you directly in the exam, you can reply. And the disadvantage, so-called disadvantage, actually it is not a disadvantage, that wastage of your valuable time. Okay, but it is not a wastage, it is actually an investment. And the second method, advantage is that you don't have to write the journal assignment regularly and spend your time. So-called advantage. And the disadvantage, when in the exam, when your examiner shows your journal, it creates a bad impression. That is one thing. Second thing, you are losing an important time. Why I am telling important time? Because generally the journal submission is there just few days before your exam. So actually you are spending the time at the time where it should be devoted for something else. And the third, there is a simply wastage of that time. Why? Because you have closed your mind and brain and you are just coping. Now it's up to you whether you have to regularly attend the practical class, listen into the practical class, go through this question, prepare the answer and write the journal regularly, or do it overnight. Okay? You have to select.